This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caroline McCartney. This Victorian-era home was built in 1895 and is prominently located in the Ghent Historical District on the Hague waterfront. In 2002, the home underwent major renovation/restoration, including mechanical systems, remodeling of all baths and kitchen, adding the rear family room, bookcases on the second floor, and modernize and preserve historical features. The home has 5,400 square feet of living space west/14 total RMS, 5 bdrms and 2.5 baths including the third floor. Distinctive features include a curved staircase, library west/leaded and stained glass windows, pine and oak floors, high ceilings, original woodwork, walnut library and foyer, bird's eye maple parlor, and mahogany dining room. The kitchen has a Viking gas stove and ovens and sub-zero refrigerator, and granite counters. The adjoining family room has walls of windows overlooking the patio. Features include slate roof, rear patio west/slate pavers, fountains and special lighting, a 2-car detached garage, 3 zones heat/air and privacy fence.